Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm opening the Witch's Moon box for February 2022. Alright. The Unknown. This looks a bit familiar. I think I might have that deck. And the theme is A Witch's Brew. So let's check it out. Benzoin. Yum. Myrrh. Frankincense, all very good herbs that I like to get. Speak to me, sacred salt. Sandalwood incense cones, changing it up. Ooh, we've got a candle that's covered in petals. Pretty pretty. Here. Oh my goodness. Okay, it looks like a goddess. Incense burner. Super fancy. So there's that. I had something like this a while ago. Or I don't remember. Yeah, I think I did. Let me see. I want to say it was in one of my earlier Anita Apothecary boxes. But still cool. Ostara. Let's give her a smell. Smells like spring. Smells like grasses and flowers and such. So I love these artworks. Great creation. Serenity. Cool. Psychism. Attraction. Purification. Interesting. Okay, what's the big item? I don't know. I haven't peeked at anything yet because I don't have time that much for the social medias. So I love brown paper packages. Oh, the complete book of Incense, Oils, and Brews by Cunningham. So great for my collection because they have been doing these. And I actually have this book too. So it's already one that I have in my collection. So that's great. Now I'll have a hardcover copy. Through difficult times and moments of joy and harmony, we find ourselves consumed in the act of creation and contemplation. It is within the wisdom of the earth and divine energies that we source comfort and understanding. We are students of the forest, admirers of the cosmos, and seekers of the divine. With the ability to craft, create, blend, and brew, we are able to find effective solutions to all concerns that may arise. In this very iconic and exclusive collection, we work with a variety of very specific techniques to bring magically beneficial and powerful energies into our space. Yes. So exclusive hardcover of the complete book of Incense, Oils, and Brew by Cunningham. This is the third one that I've gotten from them, and I just love it. The herb one, the gems, crystals, gems, and metals, I think, and then the Incense, Oils, and Brews, which I already have in my collection, but now I have a hardcover, and I just love it. I'm really excited about that. Look at that page down there, just keep everything together. I love Cunningham's works. So we got the Book of Shadows artworks that correspond to different techniques. So purification, psychism, attraction, and serenity. So those are Goddess Stand Cone Incense Burner. Oops, sorry, your little hat came off. I'm sorry. Sandalwood Ritual Cone Incense. Hand rolled, dressed, and anointed the Great Creation Spell Candle. And it has an incantation. Lovely. Calling upon our guides to reinforce our true intentions. Lavender, cedarwood, and rose as oils, as well as rolled in rose petals and lavender buds. Beautiful. So, frankincense tears, myrrh gum, and benzoin, and they included quotes from his specific books for those, which you can pause and read it if you want. Speak to Me, Sacred Salt. To enhance your perception and ability to receive signs and nudges. Sacred Salt, rose, rosemary, green tea, and cedarwood oils, as well as basil, jasmine, rose, rosemary, white tea, and elderflower herbs, and their psychic enhancement magical oil from their personal cabinet of witchery. Ostara oil. And, yep, Lang Lang, rose, lavender, and sweet orange, and jasmine, rose, and elderflower herbs. It smells delicious. Spring New Life magical oil from their personal oracle reading. I knew I recognized it. The Lantern Oracle deck. I love it. Parchment paper. Love it. Love it. Highly recommend it to you guys. I'm ride or die for Witch's Moon. As always, there's a link in the description to check it out. It's wonderful. Always something different. High quality items. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon.